There's this myth out there that if you separate a puppy from its mother before 8 weeks or whatever, somehow they're going to be less social or they're going to be messed up in the head. That is not true. Most females don't want anything to do with the puppies once their milk teeth come in. These are like razor sharp teeth. So my females, generally 4 to 5 weeks, they're done. And believe me when I tell you, there is no difference in the level of sociability and stability of puppies that are separated earlier versus puppies that are separated later. I've had situations where a female wasn't producing milk and I had to take the puppies away in a week and start hand feeding and all this type of stuff. Believe it or not, the puppies that I separated earlier actually ended up being more social. And if you really think about it, it's no great surprise. So they develop a lot more of a social openness with human beings. Like almost every dog that I ended up separating earlier and hand feeding and all this, they were so open and they had really strong environmental nerves. And I think it's that early exposure and socialization that was done basically almost since the day that they were born. I had one puppy, I used to breed Pressas. I had one puppy that his litter mates actually really ripped him up. There was a fight over food and he was a smaller puppy. He was the runt in the litter. His litter mates ripped him up, like to the point where I thought he might pass. Ended up taking him to the hospital, emergency, blah, blah, blah. They were young. They were like 3 weeks old at the time. I ended up hand feeding him because I couldn't put him back in with the litter. This dog turned out to be the most social, happy, open dog you could ever imagine. And he had that traumatic and terrible experience at the beginning of his life. One of the most social Pressas I ever had. Believe me, I've raised a lot of puppies and I've separated them at different times. And like I said, different situations, it doesn't make a difference. Anyways, guys, that's all I'm gonna do when it comes to puppies today. Like, subscribe, comment below whether you agree, disagree. If you want me to talk about another topic that I haven't talked about, put it in the comments. Feel free to check out our online training. We have everything from dealing with the reactive dog, older dog, protection training, off-leash obedience, e-collar training, and puppy training. We have courses for everybody. Check us out, shieldk9.ca. Thanks for watching.